Welcome to Ingleside Reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of natural hair masks. If you're looking for simple yet powerful ways to transform your hair from dull to dazzling, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned for some amazing DIY hair mask tips. Maintaining healthy, shiny hair isn't just about shampoo and conditioner. Natural hair masks are a game changer when it comes to nourishing and revitalizing your strands. In today's video, we'll cover the benefits of using natural hair masks and show you how to make a few simple but effective ones right at home. So, what exactly is a hair mask? Think of it as a face mask, but for your hair. Hair masks are designed to nourish, hydrate, and improve the appearance of your hair. And unlike regular conditioners, they're packed with thicker, natural ingredients and are left on longer for deeper treatment, anywhere from 20 minutes to a few hours. Whether your hair is curly, straight, dry, or damaged, natural hair masks can work wonders. Let's talk about 7 key benefits. 1. Hydrates and moisturizes hair. Dry, split hair? A natural hair mask can restore moisture using ingredients like coconut oil or argan oil to lock in hydration and keep your hair healthy. 2. Strengthens hair. Ingredients like egg whites are packed with protein, which helps reinforce the structure of your hair, making it stronger and more resilient to damage. 3. Makes hair soft and shiny. If your hair feels rough or looks dull, natural masks can smooth your cuticles. Ingredients like avocado or olive oil are perfect for adding that healthy shine. 4. Makes hair easier to manage. Unruly frizzy hair can be tamed with natural ingredients like bananas and mayonnaise, which help restore moisture and make styling easier. 5. Protects hair from environmental damage. Natural masks can act as a protective shield against pollutants and chemical treatments, keeping your hair safe from damage. 6. Prevents dandruff. Ingredients like apple cider vinegar and honey are great for preventing dandruff by fighting scalp fungus and keeping your scalp clean and balanced. 7. Reduces hair loss. Hair loss can be reduced by nourishing your hair with masks that promote strength and healthier hair growth. Now that you know the benefits, let's explore 5 natural hair masks you can make at home. 1. Coconut oil mask. Ideal for dry, thick hair, coconut oil is packed with vitamin E and fatty acids that prevent moisture loss. Apply it for 10 minutes after shampooing or use it as a conditioner replacement. 2. Banana and olive oil mask. Bananas hydrate and moisturize, while olive oil adds shine. Mash a banana, mix with olive oil to create a thick paste. Apply for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. 3. Avocado and olive oil mask. Avocado is rich in nutrients that repair split ends and nourish your hair. Mash it up with olive oil for a nutrient-rich mask. 4. Yogurt mask. Yogurt is great for preventing frizz and removing dead skin cells from hair follicles. Its lactic acid will leave your hair soft and moisturized. 5. Apple cider vinegar mask. Perfect for locking in color and removing excess oil. Mix apple cider vinegar with honey, apply with a spray bottle, leave it on for 10 minutes and rinse. It's great for smooth, shiny hair, though be cautious if your hair is dry. Natural hair masks are a simple and effective way to transform your hair, whether you need moisture, strength, or shine. With ingredients like coconut oil, bananas, avocados, and apple cider vinegar, you can create the perfect hair mask for your needs, right at home. Try adding one to your regular hair care routine, and you'll soon be flaunting gorgeous, healthy locks. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and be sure to check out our website for more beauty and skincare tips. Don't forget to explore the other channels in the Ingleside Reviews network for more specialized content, and follow us on social media for even more tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.